Welcome back, everybody. Today we have got a bit of a chore going on. Today we are going to finally dig up the potatoes. Now, as you can tell, I'm going to throw in something right here. The potatoes are absolutely buried in weeds. We just haven't had time to be able to really weed. But we took the irrigation lines off of the potatoes a couple weeks ago. And so just to let them dry out, it's been dry this week, so we are hoping and praying that we have a good potato harvest this year. So we're going to get with it. We've got a lot of weeds in there, so hopefully everything will work out. We'll probably go ahead and pull weeds too while we're doing that. So luckily it's only like a 25-foot row, or 22, however you want to measure it. So Marcia's got her baskets ready and her hand tools. I've got the broad fork right here just in case we can actually use the broad fork. So we're going to get right to it. Well, as you can tell, we didn't get a whole lot of potatoes this time. We got roughly about 25 to 30 pounds out of a 22, 23 foot row. It's not very much, but like we said, we didn't have time to be able to weed it. And actually, we did not put any fertilizer on them. So for us not putting any fertilizer on them, that's actually quite good. So I'm pleased with it. About a pound every foot, a little over a pound a foot. So I don't know. I think we did pretty good. Marcia just got done picking some tomatoes, and so we're just gonna kind of get everything all set up. And she found a tomato that has some worms. Tomato worms, you think? Or look at that thing. What is that? I'm sure somebody will know. It's ugly looking. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and just end the video there. I know it's maybe a pretty short one, but it's like I said, we're going to try to put the videos out that may be shorter. But make sure you stay to the end just to help out the channel grow, and just continue pressing on. Just put down some good comments down below. Just keep urging us on, and give us some good ideas down there. And don't forget, don't forget, there's still something coming out there at the barn. So we're just kind of waiting on a phone call right now. So until the next time, stay tuned. Don't miss one. Talk to you on the next one. Bye.